keep thinking, now, am I that old? Some days you don't feel that old. Other days you think I'm about 183, you know. And I talked to, it's Travis, isn't it, I talked to, yeah. And he was very helpful, actually, and he gave me a fair price for it and sent him down a cheque. And then after that I got sick, ended up in hospital. And when I got home, the shed had arrived and it was in better order than I was, that's for sure. I finally decided to throw away the walking stick and start building the shed, and this is where we are today. So it's been marvellous. It's been a good thing, really, and I enjoyed doing it because everything is, you know, the construction manual is so full of information. Make sure you read every bit. There's no shortage of nuts, bolts or screws, you know, everything's there. All those holes that they punch in those beams and that, everyone's spot on, you know, and it is marvellous. It is easy. It really is easy, yeah. I'll recommend them any day, I can tell you.